Are you ready to take your aerial photography to the next level? Meet the GTR6 Edward 5G GPS folding drone, your perfect companion for capturing stunning views from the sky. This drone is packed with powerful features designed for both beginners and professionals. With 5G optical flow positioning and dual GPS, you'll experience incredibly stable flight, even in challenging conditions. Equipped with a high-definition dual camera and a 90-degree adjustable lens, the GTR6 lets you capture breathtaking images and smooth videos from every angle. The Servo gimbal and brushless motors work together to deliver sharp, shake-free footage. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge, with intelligent obstacle avoidance, one-click takeoff and landing, and return-to-home functions to keep your drone safe at all times. Plus, the foldable design and included storage bag make it easy to pack up and take anywhere your adventures lead. Whether you're filming travel vlogs, creating social media content, or just exploring the skies, the GTR6 Edward Drone makes it simple to fly, shoot, and share like a pro. Discover the freedom of flight with the GTR6 Edward Drone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.